leaders must champion quality initiative, provide necessary resources, and hold everyone accountable. We need to invest in training and awareness programs that are tailored to specific needs of industrial environment. I believe that a board role would provide me an opportunity to leverage my communication and stakeholder engagement.
Hello and welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, the podcast where industry pioneers share their journey, insights, and leadership lessons. Brought to you by Directors Institute, World Council of Directors. This series dives deep into the minds of executives shaping the future of business. Today, we are thrilled to have Mr. Rahul Kulkarni, a name synonymous with engineering excellence, quality management, and project leadership. With nearly 3 decades of experience across oil, gas, power, and automation, he has mastered the art of driving innovation while ensuring the highest industry standards. From leading global turnkey projects to shaping ISO compliance and Six Sigma strategies, his impact has been game changing. So, what does it take to build a career marked by precision, leadership, and transformation? Let's find out. Mr. Rahul Kulkarni, welcome to FaceTime with Leaders.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome. I truly appreciate the opportunity to join you on FaceTime with Leader. I'm honored to be here.
Great to hear that, Mr. Kulkarni. So, every remarkable career is built on defining moments, challenges overcome, lessons learned, and milestones achieved. As someone who has navigated early 3 decades in engineering, quality management, and project leadership, what were the key turning points that shaped your journey? Was there a moment when you realized that this is the path I'm meant to follow? We would love to hear the story behind the accomplished leader we see today.
Yeah, that's great. Looking back over my career, there have been several pivotal moments. One significant turning point was when I led a complex project that required me to integrate diverse teams with different time zones and navigate significant technical challenges. That experience taught me the importance of clear communication, collaboration, and adaptability. Another key moment was when I transitioned into quality management role. This allowed me to develop a strong understanding of process improvement and how to drive operational excellence. Through these experiences, I realized my passion for leadership and my ability to guide teams towards achieving their goals.
That's truly inspiring, Mr. Kulkarni, and it's incredible how those experiences shaped your leadership approach. So, Mr. Kulkarni, in today's world, cybersecurity isn't just an IT concern. It's a mission critical factor in engineering and industrial automation. With industries becoming more interconnected and reliant on automation, the risks have never been higher. So, given your deep expertise in quality management and regulatory compliance, how do you see IEC 62443 shaping the future of industry cybersecurity? More importantly, how can companies balance innovation with security without slowing down progress?
Yeah. While ISO 62443 provides a robust technical framework, its true power lies in its ability to drive a culture of security awareness. It's about educating everyone, from engineers to operators, about the importance of cybersecurity and their role in protecting a critical systems. Building a strong security culture is essential for balancing innovation and security. When people understand the risks and how to mitigate them, they are more likely to make secure choices. We need to invest in training and awareness programs that are tailored to specific needs of industrial environment. Furthermore, we must embrace a mindset of continuous improvement, regularly reviewing and updating our security practices to stay ahead of evolving threats. By doing so, we can create a secure environment that fosters innovation and enables sustainable growth.
That's such a critical perspective, Mr. Kulkarni. Cybersecurity in industrial automation is something we don't always think about until an incident happens. And by then, the damage is already done.
Yes.
So, Mr. Kulkarni, working with industry giants like Reliance, NTPC, and Indian Oil is no small feat. We all know that. And these organizations operate at an unparalleled scale, where even the smallest quality labs can have massive consequences, whether it's operational efficiency, safety, or reputation. And you have been at the forefront of ensuring top tier quality standards in such high stakes environments. So, Mr. Kulkarni, from your experience, what are the core principles or best practices that truly make a difference in maintaining uncompromising quality?
Yeah. Beyond the technical aspect, maintaining uncompromising quality requires strong leadership commitment and effective cross-functional collaboration. Quality cannot be siloed. It must be integrated into every aspect of organization. Leaders must champion quality initiative, provide necessary resources, and hold everyone accountable. Effective communication and collaboration between the departments are essential for ensuring that everyone is aligned on quality goals and working together to achieve them. This means creating a culture where open communication is encouraged and where team members feel empowered to raise concerns and suggest improvement. By fostering a collaborative and supportive environment, we can create a powerful force for the quality.
Absolutely, absolutely, Mr. Kulkarni. And it's easy to think of quality as just a checklist, but the way you have described it as a culture and a mindset really shifts the way we look at it.
Yeah.
So, moving ahead, Mr. Kulkarni, technology is changing everything around, especially in project management. AI is making decisions smarter, IoT is connecting systems like never before, and engineering projects are evolving at a pace we have never seen before. So, what I would like to ask you is, with your vast experience in engineering and quality management, how do you see AI and IoT shaping the future of project execution?
You see, AI and IoT are also playing a critical role in enhancing the safety and mitigating the risk on project sites. IoT sensors can monitor environmental conditions, detect hazardous substances, and track the location of a person. AI algorithm can analyze this data to identify potential safety hazards and trigger alert in real time. For example, AI can be used to monitor worker fatigue or detect unsafe equipment operation. This proactive approach to safety helps to prevent accident and create a safer working environment. In high-risk industries such as construction and oil and gas, this technology is invaluable. It's not just about efficiency, it's about protecting the people.
That's such a fascinating way to look at it, Mr. Kulkarni. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of AI and automation, but like you said, it's about using technology the right way, whether it enhances human expertise rather than replacing it.
Yes.
So, Mr. Kulkarni, with a career as accomplished as yours, there is always the question, what's next? So, do you see yourself taking on a greater leadership role, perhaps in the boardroom, where your expertise in governance and strategic decision making could create an even bigger impact?
Yes, I see myself taking a greater leadership role, particularly in the boardroom. My career has involved building a strong relationship with stakeholders at all levels, and I am a strong advocate for open communication and transparency. I believe my ability to build consensus and facilitate effective dialogue would be a valuable asset to a board. I am also passionate about ensuring that organizations' decisions are aligned with the interest of all stakeholders, including employees, customers, and shareholders. I believe that a board role would provide me an opportunity to leverage my communication and stakeholder engagement skills to contribute to a long-term success of the organization.
All right. Mr. Kulkarni, it's incredible to see how, even after such an accomplished career, you are still looking ahead to new ways to create impact and drive change. So, in today's fast evolving business landscape, Mr. Kulkarni, corporate governance is more than just compliance. It's the foundation of ethical leadership, sustainable growth, and stakeholder trust. So, with your vast experience in quality management and engineering leadership, how do you see strong corporate governance influencing decision making, risk management, and long term business success?
Yeah. In today's interconnected world, strong corporate governance is essential for building and maintaining the stakeholders' trust. It's about demonstrating transparency, integrity, and accountability in all aspects of the business. Investors, customers, and employees are increasingly demanding that companies operate ethically and sustainably. Effective governance signals to the market that company is well managed and committed to a long-term value creation. This is not only enhances the company's reputation, but also attracts and retains the top talent. Furthermore, in heavily regulated industries, good governance ensure compliance, which is critical for maintaining a license to operate.
That's such a powerful way to look at it, Mr. Kulkarni. Governance often gets talked about in terms of rules and compliances, but as you pointed out, it's really about creating trust, driving accountability, and ensuring long term success. All right. So, Mr. Kulkarni, that brings us to the last question of the session, and here it is. You have recently joined Directors Institute. How has your experience been so far? What stood out to you the most, and how do you see it adding value to your professional journey?
Yeah, joining the Directors Institute has been a catalyst for personal and professional growth. The programs have challenged me to think critically about governance and leadership, and I have gained a deeper understanding of my own strength and areas for development. What stood out to me was the institute's commitment for fostering a culture of continuous learning and improvement. I see this experience adding a significant value to my professional journey by enhancing my self-awareness and expanding my leadership capabilities. I'm already applying the insights I have gained to improve my communication and collaboration skills, and I'm confident that this experience will make me a more effective leader.
Great to hear that, Mr. Kulkarni.
Yeah.
It's always interesting to see how professionals with such vast experience still find new avenues for learning and growth. So let me tell you, Mr. Kulkarni, what an insightful conversation this has been. Your journey, expertise, your perspective on leadership, quality management, and corporate governance has truly been inspiring, truly. It's clear that experience, continuous learning, and strong governance are the pillars of long term success in any industry. So, Mr.
Yes.
Kulkarni, thank you for sharing your wisdom and experiences with us today. It's been an absolute pleasure having you on FaceTime with Leaders. Wishing you continued success in all your future endeavors.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you once again, Mr. Kulkarni.
Yeah.
And to our audience, stay tuned for more conversations with industry pioneers only on FaceTime with Leaders, brought to you by Directors Institute, World Council of Directors. Until next time, keep learning, keep leading. Thank you so much, and have a nice time.